Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of My Lover is a Dangerous, chapter 5. So here it is. Let's read the story. Pepe, we met again. So the participant chosen we evolved for final interview already meet up in the building. Three of them are talking. Yes, you can compete with me for endorsement again. Oh, it seems that the three-person is already known each other and been competing for some time. Well, what's theirs to grab? Aren't we both running for the someone else this time? Pepe said to the girl. Well, the three girls seems to be not in a good condition. This girl seems to said, what do you mean? She looks really angry. Well, the tense and commotions in the room is really getting hype. These three girls. Do you mean Shang Guanying has already been appointed? Oh, the third girl seems to be calm, only want to listen on the music. Well, probably she don't want to argue with them, although her popularity has been skyrocketed. Recently, after all, she only debuted a year ago. Not enough to be afraid of. Oh, she has too many confidence on herself. I'm not talking about her. I heard that the president of Oshi Group made an exception and allowed an 18th-year actor to participate in the interview. Woo! It's almost time, but she hasn't shown her face yet. Don't need to say more, you should know she is extraordinary. Time is up. Without further ado, let's start the interview directly. But Yuner was not there. Sheng Fei, Lan Ruxi, Shang Guanying. And for the fourth one, it was Yuner. But Yuner was not there. Oh, this is really trouble. Right now, the director is calling Wang Yuner. Wang Yuner seems to be not to be found. Well, this girl, she was really late then. Right now, the director seems to be. What about Wang Yuner? Director is asking them, but right now, director seems to be losing her patience. Suddenly, Wang Yuner popped out and said to them, I'm here. Hurry up or late. Well, technically, she was really late. Right now, Wang Yuner seems to be uncomfortable. Well, maybe she was really running too fast. Sorry I'm late. But I can explain, Wang Yuner said to the director. Right now, the director seems to be getting angry. Looking at the three of them, really fuss and stuff. They kept themselves silent. Probably, they knows that the director is getting angry. Right now, the director said, go out. Now, the director is screaming. Well, Yuner, all of the pains are being wasted because she was really late. Right now, what she can do? Yuner, to her surprise, she can only said ah. She was looking at the director. Probably she really want why the director suddenly puts her out, but I've seen so many celebrities like you who came late and show off their talents. Director Chen never cooperate with such people. Director Chen, I'm not trying to be big deal. I was late because I have a reason. Even the excuses is so lame. This girl in red dress seems to be annoyed. She was silenced. Well, probably wanted to defend herself, but no one is siding her. Well, what could it be wrong? Who's gonna be protecting her? Suddenly, there's someone stalking behind them. Said to them, she didn't lie. Oh, who could it be the person? Is this the director? Well, when they turned back, it turns out it was Director O. Director Chen, I can vouch for her. We were trapped in the elevator together. Oh, they all seems to be surprised. Of course, the president is not lying. Since Miss O is testified, Wang Yuner's lateness can be considered excuses. Director said come in for an interview. Oh, finally, she really gave her a second chance. Well, Yuner, she must be really happy. Now she got a chance to perform in auditions. Or, what can you give me? President O said to her. Well, probably she was right. How about myself? Can Director O really protect her? Even though right now she knows that she is teasing herself. Director said Wang Yuner. She was calling her right now to be able to get through and pass the interview. Wang Yuner needs to enter the room. Director said, what are you talking about? why don't you come over? Think something and have a great idea. Oh, Mr. O just said that she is here and she wants to watch our interview. Mr. O said to her. The director said, of course, Mr. O, just be a judge together. O said, that's fine. Although Director O don't want to restrain herself, I want to see what surprises there are. President O said to herself, well, let's see and let's find. Right now, there's a perfume. Proof is a perfume called First Date. Oh, the perfume seems to be elegant. Well, what could be the question? You also have tried it, so let's talk about your understanding of this perfume first. Well, probably she want to hear something. The girl with the red dress said, well, finally, all of them are really praising about the perfume, but this pearl-based sweetness combined with a warm and soft floral fragrance. The other girl said a comment. Sorry, I don't understand perfume. She did not tell me what's my in her heart, but I have a stronger desire to survive than she does. Yunor said to herself. Seems to be impossible. Of course, the third girl didn't answer. Well, technically, is she going to drop her? Well, let's see. The president right now. It's okay, next one. Looking at her, seems to be annoyed. Well, she must really. Third girl really talk nonsense. Well, for the fourth one, it's hard to express my thoughts but just talking. Right now, Yunor, she stand up. All looking for her. Turns out Yunor, she can really sing good. Everyone is looking at her, that she is really singing good. Yunor, she is really pretty and also a good singer. Third girl is praising her voice. She have a great voice. She kept herself watching Yunor. Of course, maybe she was really entranced. Her angelic voice are really good. Right now, Miss O said. Well, did the two of them meet before? Probably it was. Turns out, they really met before. Turns out, she has an accident before. That's why she was blinded. Yunor was singing to her. Right now, did President O remember this? So it turns out they really met before. Now she will remember it. Her phone is really buzzing, and someone is calling her. It turns out it was Yunor. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.